last night. Actually, he always documents places here in UK. Let's include this the one that I have not been there. We've been to Port Sabden many times, honey, but we didn't hear that place, so that's where we're going today. And this is the starting point of our walk.
What?
Ayan, maputik, but it doesn't matter.
Oh no.
This is one of our regular walks. Probably one of the thousands regular walks. And I simply enjoy every inch of it. Just say it.
Lola.
Yeah, Lola. Lola is walking. Look at that.
Lola.
That's a landscape. Say it, darling.
Lola.
Josh is talking to me, Lola. Yeah, he called me Lola. I think we finally found here. Yeah, this is the landscape. So we're going in. Ano to? Parang bukana ng kuweba, but it's not. A path for the walkers. Tapos parang may mga malalalim na ganyan. I don't know what happened to that. Maybe it's just to have a big tree here. But there's no sign anyway. Malalim. Tapos yun pababa. Syempre may mga dahong nalagas na nabubulok na. Then I'm going down because stand there. So I have to follow him. Oh, ito pa. Ayan naman malalim oh. I don't know what's that. Malalim siya. And just in front of the tree. Ayan oh, malalim oh. Oh, look at this. It's covered with green algae. Kasi di ba ang ibig sabihin nito, if the trees or plants or even soil covered with this, that means not being exposed to sunlight. Look at that. All green. It's not exposed to sunlight. That's why it's covered by algae. Wow! Para akong nasa forest in Wonderland. Oh, ayan na. Ito, bigay ni Marlon tong hat na to. Matagal na sa akin to. Marlon, thank you ah. Even if it's been used for a long time. Still very nice quality one. Ayan yung mga green niya oh. Ha? Yeah? Okay then I'll go up there. Ang ganda naman talaga rito. Look. Amazing talaga oh. Kahit nga on autumn time, depressing weather, like this is still a paradise to me. Look at that. Yun ang lalim oh. Diba? Hindi ganong obvious sa video pero ang lalalim niya oh.
The year is almost over. Another time has gone past. Reflecting myself, how am I? As a person, as a friend, as a mother. I'm not perfect, I commit mistakes. Wrong decisions, wrong judgment. I thought I've already knew myself. I was wrong.
Honey, what makes it looks like this? I cannot even say it greater. I cannot even say it soil erosion. Ibang klase oh. Yung ano niya, yung hindi lang talagang makapture ng maano eh. ng very detailed sa video. Pero if you're here, personally, you can see it by your eyes. It's different. It's beautiful. First time to see this place. A walking place like this. One of a kind. This is one of a kind, honey, I'm telling you. Careful. Careful. They are everywhere. Look at that. Some even attempt to put the logs as their shelter. It's only done by the Boy Scouts and campers. Yun pa oh. They are everywhere. It's massive. Yung the scale ba of this site, napakalaki talaga. Sinasabi ko yung scale niya. Si Stan, no? Siguro mangha din siya eh. Tapos meron doon. Sana makakita ako ng waterfalls. Then we're coming here. Went down and investigate. Look at that. Oh, di ba? Oh, bakit may mga ganyan kalalim? Look at that. Honey, take me picture here, please. Ang ganda. I wanna go there. Oh my God. No, no, no. Take me picture here. With that. No, I'll take my pic. Yeah. Do it then. Oh, kita nyo, dito na ako. Parang kuweba na hindi. Oh my God, baka mahulog ako. Alright, take me picture here. This is truly one of a kind. Honey, what's the name of that blogger? He's doing a magnificent job. Ayan kami ni Stan.
Lonesome.
Oh no.
Thanks for the wonderful time when I needed most. We shared things in harmony. Amsterdam visit became memorable. God is good, making me feel this way. Unexpectedly beautiful in harmony with you, brother. And